Pozdrav ljudi, danas ćemo da... Pre par minuta sam išli Inflating the Complex. A sad ćemo Inflating the Airship. Zašto? Samo pitam zašto? Zašto usred snimanja dođe reklama? Ajde, čao. Evo, uglavnom, ovo je ta igrica. Airship. Jel se sjećate ovog tipa koji nas je izdao? E pa mi sad ćemo njega da sredimo. Ali međutim ovaj sa crvenim brkićima će moći isto nas da sredi, tako da ćemo da play.
Well, look, I finally decided to wake up. You've been quite elusive, but your skills make you worth the catch. You'll be perfect for the job. We've been having some issues with a group of thieves known as the Top Hat Clan. We know they're guilty, we just can't pin them to any crimes. You'll be going into the airship to bring them down. I don't need to remind you that we've got you on several charges. Attempted robbery, breaking yourself out of prison, even stealing a Tunisian diamond. We've got quite a lot of counts on you. Do this job right, and we'll drop all charges against you. Charlie here will be bringing you close to the airship. The rest is up to you. Find a way to bring him down, and you'll be a free man. Hey, you want me to bring you in?
Okej. Hoćete radnju, fight ili pa zapravo kako god da okrenem je fight. Ali uglavnom najzanimljivije ovo. Mislim najnezanimljivije. Za kraj ćemo da ostavimo ono zanimljivo. Ovo je vjerojatno planiram da će biti jedno 10 minuta da će trajati. Usisivač. Sad ćemo da izaberemo lepak. Kad bude krenulo biranje.
Alright, gentlemen, we've been tasked with developing new weapons for the clan. Any ideas? Let's get thinking.
Lepak.
No, we can't do that. Why not, man? You do realize how much a solid gold cannon would weigh, don't you? Dude, we totally got enough power. What do you think, man? Well, I'm still kind of new.
Ok, on je tako prešao preko krova. Mali ide preko krova. Skoči, bravo.
Oh, hey, you see that record sign? Where it says record? That'd probably be a good place to look, right? Let me just, help you get across that gap. Huh?
Robo helper. To će nam trebati. Ok, ljudi. Sad ćemo bonus da izaberemo. Nešto mu se desilo, ali kartica je i dalje živa. Što je najbolje.
Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Oh, hello, Mr. Spider. Alright, you got some evidence. Oh, wait. There's no way you're getting through there. There's lots of guys and there's lots of guns. That's all I'm gonna say. It looks like you can get around if you go through that air duct. Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do?
Niespełnienie struja.
Okay, I'll reroute the power to a random room, that's fine.
Jadenowy chick ovdje.
Alright, Henry, you're almost there. I'm right outside, so just open the bay doors and I'll get you on the chopper. Hey, what are you doing? Yeah, we got a situation down in the cargo bay.
Force gun.
Psst, hey, there's a button on your earpiece. You should press it. What's going?
Ajde, ćao, ćao, ideš u zatvor.
This could be a problem.
Idemo tu start. Znači sad idemo Cannonball, to je super muzika. Mislim, uskoro će biti super muzika. I mi stižemo. Kako će sreće što si stigao? Stolica! To nam treba. Stolica, kreni!
Everyone listen up. We've got a security alert. Keep a lookout for a guy in a big plastic ball. No, I'm serious.
Rek! A ne znam kako se to kaže. Ne znam dobro engleski. Ej,
Hurry up now, activate the doors.
Sve pisam kod me. Sprgljivi pogon!
Whoa.
Rocket jump. Ovo sam ja odavno igrao nego... Da se još prošle godine.
Get away. Now I've got you.
Hajde, Drake. E sad, neću da ga rečem jer znam kako se rešava. Ali sad ne čujete muziku, tako je cool. Okej, može tu. Drake. Skinuo sam sam knjigu. Pobedio sam. Ovo je bilo super. Sada glider normalno. Da letim po vazduhu.
Help, help. Listen, you defeated my right-hand man. You defeated me. I surrender the airship to you.
Ovdje imate dve opcije.
Now just get him to us. You'll get your
Ne
life
budete
back.
na strani ovih koji želimo da ubijemo ili na strani onih koji mi želimo, na koji mi je jasno. Znači prvo je ovo, tank. Pošto je tank neuništiv. Jel' tako? Je tank neuništiv. Jeste, tank je neuništiv. Tako je, tank je neuništiv. Step back. Ajde idem glider. Ajde idem glider. Ne mogu da vjerujem da sam se ja skroz ovdje vratio. Pa dobro, step back nije toliko.
Help, help.
A, jeste ovo step back.
Listen, you defeated my right-hand man. You defeated me. I surrender the airship to you. Good work, Henry. Now just get him to us, and you'll get your life back.
Dummies.
Do you think they're all right? Pretty big fall. I'm sure Henry had a plan. What is it? Henry!
Dum. Ima sad jedna pucačina posle ovoga. Ako idemo return to start. Grapple gun. Ovo se zove prava odlična stvar. Ajde, uglavnom ću ovo da rešim. Wait. Niko ne bi pridjeznica, mislim. Automatski nešto se, bazari, bomba i sve one gluposti druge. Ali međutim, samo treba da waitujem. Da sačekam. Vozi, tiho, vozi. To tražim. Bam, tamo sam pa. Kako sam prošli put pa na tom, dole, na Walt Chills. Lip, leti, hajde leti, maši rukicama. Bravo.
And my apologies, everyone. Had to deploy some invasive maneuvers. A flock of ducks flew by.
Paperizo. Ovo mi treba. I kreni. Uzmi i sada imamo nešto.
Hey, you! Stop right there! What's going on? Looks like he set off some sort of alarm in the vault. What? He's going rogue? Alright, move to plan B. Call in reinforcements and move in. Yeah, this is Jeffrey. I got him right here, so you guys don't need to
Kreni. Koja rokačina. Ovo vam pričam. Koja rokačina nastane. Power armor. Pao sam i airship pada i airship se srušio. I sad nastaje ogromna rokačina. Imamo zeleni protiv crvenih i plavi protiv zelenih i crveni protiv sivi. Sve se dešava. Idemo prototype. Krenite, ide ogroman fight. Pucaj. Mislim da pucaj. Da, pucaj. Toliko cool muzika.
Hey, forget about it. We've got to retreat, or else the Topic clan will be history.
Nešto sam rekao slučajno, nešto me nekad pljune iz usta, nemam pojma, ja nekad lupim neku reč kada spavam i kada sam budan. Hajde, čao, vidite, ne trebate. To je to. Mislim da to je bilo što se tiče ove epizode. Nastavim se svima, podržite lajkom i pretplatite se i na moju prošlu i ostavite lajk na moju prošlu. To je bila slična igrica. Pa i sad mi ostavite lajk i subscribe. I ne zaboravite već sad lajk i subscribe.